Hi, thank you for watching my channel, Mash Artist Makeup, and today we are doing a simple bride look. Just an elegant, classy, beautifully blended eyeshadow. Starting with some concealer on the eye. I have already done all of my face and eyebrow and lip makeup. A very thin line, and then we'll use a tiny little beauty blender to gently push that into the skin and blend it very evenly to create a smooth, clear canvas. And next I will be going in with the MAC Color Orb. This is a beautiful fleshy tone. I like to use this as a base for any light colors I am using. It really helps create a canvas that is even and that also grabs the colors you put on top very well. This will help get rid of any creases that may arise throughout the day from wear. And just having a really, really solid base is just a good way to create flawless blending and make everything look picture perfect. I'm really pressing that into the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with another MAC Cosmetics. This is White Frost, a super bright, bold, true white. And I really want this one to pop, so I'm going to apply a little bit more of foundation just on that lower line and kind of blend it upwards to about the middle of the eyelid. And as I do that, I'm going to put a fluffy clean brush on and get going with that White Frost, really pushing that in to the creases, to any wrinkles, and then blending upwards. Once I have a strong on one side, I'm going to apply to the second side. Same process with the Beauty Blender, and again, starting at the lower line and pushing it upwards. This is how you create a great blend. Look at how flawless that is. 39L Hit the Lights by Morphe. Beautiful palette. I am going to be going in with Ghosted, Halo Effect, and Vibing. These are really bright white colors. This one is beautiful transition color, has a light sparkle to it, iridescent kind of. You can't really see the shimmers, but a nice cool kind of purplish bluish tone to it. Fluffy pink brush is my blending go-to. Any clean brush will help. And then applying that warmer kind of a gold sparkle in that inner corner to kind of create some contrast and really make my blue eyes pop. I always like to use a warmer color on the bottom line to create something to contradict my eye color, if you may. Contrasting colors are great. She Sparkles by MAC, going in with that and using a thin brush to go under the eye with some concealer. This is going to create a nice, fluid, bold, very bold, and somewhat bright line for us when I go in with the She Sparkles after. Just look how great that concealer grabs and holds that pigment. Because I don't want to be too blown out here. I want a kind of a solid line, but still very blended. Clean up that other side, doing the same thing, and then using a fluffy, clean brush just to clean up any underdrops. Going in with Coconut by Morphe eyeliner. This is beautiful. It's waterline safe. I'm going to go in right on that waterline, create a super dense, thick, all white line. This is just going to create a even smoother transition to that everything all white. This is a gleaming, elegant look. Both sides, kind of put this one in fast forward to show you we're even. This look is all about simplicity and symmetric. Now all we have to do left is throw on some lashes and some mascara by Benefit Roller Lash, favorite stuff in the game right now. And voila, we have our lashes. These are the Morphe Chummy, my go-to lashes for an everyday wear and for somebody who wants to go bold but not too crazy with the lashes. And here we have it, just a beautifully well blended, just white, simple, elegant look. I seriously thank you guys so much for watching. I really had fun with this one. Please love this, like this, subscribe below. Anything you can do to share the link and help me get more followers is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching today's elegant bridal look here at Mash Artist Makeup.